Question 2. A particle is fired from the origin. Y equals 0 meters as shown in figure 3.5. So I rewrote it, 3.1. So this is 3.1. The initial velocity, components are Vox equals 940 meters per second and Voy equals 96 meters per second. The particle reaches maximum height, so max height, well, we can do this, height max, at point P. So it reaches maximum height here. Then it falls and strikes the ground at PQ, at point Q, sorry. So this is point Q. In the figure, the y coordinates of point P is closest to what? So they gave us where our max is, which is point P, and where it struck the ground, which is point Q. So we do the following. VO T equals VO T. Sorry. So what I like to do, take this and do it again. Y plus T equals YO plus VOT plus 1/2 times acceleration times time to the second, which equals, but before we find that, we also like to plug in what we have already. So we do V0y equals V0y plus acceleration times time. So we know that VOY equals 0, 96, plus negative 1.8 time. The way we finish that, we do, and we're just doing based off what we got in our problem. So now what we do is we do negative 96 equals negative 9.8 time. And then you just multiply by bringing the 9.8 over. These two cancel out, so that would be T. That would be 9.8 seconds. So now, what we do next, we do 96 times 9.8 plus 1.5 minus negative 9.8 times 9.8 to the second equals 94 minus 475. When you plug this into the calculator, you should get something near here. And this is your answer, which would be answer B, depending on your test.